You're like the underdogs. You look across and you see the likes of Cristiano Ronaldo, Sadio Mane, and if you're a player, you think often he's decided he wants to come play in the Saudi Pro League, and you wish him well.
Will be aiming to win their 4th title in the space of a decade. Champions in the heat of elite continental competition. Just 2. Well, perhaps the biggest draw in the Saudi, who is not in the Al Nassr squad tonight. Although 2 new faces are So Al Nassr in their familiar strip. Al Fateh, despite being at home, are wearing the... Or do you resist the lure and create space for others as a defender? It's Aganim well forward. Mane making progress here. And an opportunity here as Teo seeks to get in behind. Oh! And they've got men over here, Al Nassr. Well, they're just forced wide a little. Oh.
It's a good chance that is. That really good chance. Good play. I think Cristiano Ronaldo just overhits the ball, but it's a good ball.
Well, Ronaldo's pulled away and found so much space. But, can't quite find the target on this occasion. It was Al Zubaydi who got the block in. And an offside flag up to unleash, but he brings Batner into proceedings here. Really fierce.
It's good play there from Teo. He looked...
And they've created a bit of trouble of their own making here. Otavio to play it in, Ronaldo.
I'm thinking that maybe half a chance for Cristiano Ronaldo. You know how good he is in the air, really good in the air. Listen, he's about...
Really keen to commit players. It's a fabulous run by Garib.
It is great control. He gets lucky there, but look, skips past him, and you're thinking he just delays the...
Surrounded by some 30-something superstars. He's 26 himself. Ronaldo drags it.
Yeah, it's good play again.
He'll bring Ronaldo into it, setting his sights again. And it has Canon kindly. And the slip from the defender. Al-Ghanam.
It was a good book, and he just whips it in, and you can see here, Otavio, it's a difficult skill.
Brozovic. Fellow Ryan with a useful-looking cross, and an important header that. Al-Ghanem makes his way onto the scene and provides the delivery, and Ronaldo. Conan. Brozovic, and eventually the shot comes from Otavio. Suggests a deflection.
Yeah, he wants a corner. He's not happy. Ronaldo's not happy. Brozovic
from him, but here's Mane now. Mane tees up Ronaldo. Great reaction from Rinner, but Ronaldo will feel that should be 1-0.
Yes, good play from
Brozovic. Ronaldo, lovely flick, brilliant. Mane!
Oh, what a goal.
Absolute delight. And they've really got this game in a vice-like grip now. On top for so long now, something to show for it. And wasn't it wonderful to watch?
And that is why you pay big money for superstars like that. The touch from Ronaldo is outrageous, and the finish from Sadio Mane is brilliant. He's onside looking at the replay there, but once he gets into that, I was thinking just slot it, but he just thinks it over Rinner. It's a fantastic finish, but look at Brozovic, great ball there. He's onside, VAR. He's well onside by a few yards, but it's brilliant. The touch from Ronaldo is fantastic. You've got to have vision, and he's probably looked before Brozovic has played that ball down.
Goal of the season in the league, and it may come now. Is this Ronaldo's moment? Not yet.
No, and he's looking at the pitch, and you know what? On another day, Cristiano Ronaldo.
Garib. Otavio.
That's what I'm saying. It is, yeah.
Ronaldo.
That first league goal is coming. It's definitely coming.
Garib, Sultan Al-Ghanem, and Ronaldo this time! There is that first league goal of the season.
And there goes the crowd with that famous celebration. But you know, it was only a matter of time. He'd had 2 or 3 really good opportunities, and I said it was down that right-hand side. They keep getting crosses into the box, and evidently he's going to deliver. And I think it's Sultan again. It comes to Garib out here, does ever so well. I've been impressed with him on the left-hand side, but great touch. And he just stands the ball up. It's a fantastic cross, but I don't know how you can leave someone's of Ronaldo's stature with a free header from there, because you will get punished. It's a simple header for him, and he deserves it because his all-round play has been brilliant. But Sultan down that right-hand side, that has been outstanding. What a ball that is. That is saying to me, go and head me into the bottom corner, and that's what they do.
Ronaldo on his feet now. What's he going to do with those feet? Sultan Al-Ghanem, Mane, off the... Garib, those dancing feet!
He's impressed me, Garib. He's been outstanding on that left-hand side. You can see...
Teo, and now it's Batna. And it will be a corner.
It's difficult Batna. He's trying to...
Callow newcomer by any stretch of the imagination. Garib, Mane. Garib, another terrific run. Oh, and again. Little flick by Otavio. Mane is here. Garib has been sprung here. He's onside, and an opportunity for Ronaldo.
It's brilliant from Garib. I knew you were going to ask him something like that, and it was great timing, to be fair. But you know where it starts again? It starts from Brozovic. I think Brozovic ran, and it's brilliant. And then you can see here, as he got the composure, he sure has, gives it to Ronaldo, says, get your second of the evening. But fantastic play. Brilliant.
Yeah. Coolness of head from the youngster.
His movement there is brilliant for the goal. The way it's as if you're watching it as a young player, and the way he just bends his run from out to in.
You may remember with a couple of goals that day.
Don't know where he's going to put them on.
Here is Ronaldo. Coming on. Here's Batna. Well, he's asking the question, and we do, of course. Sultan Al-Ghanem. Oh, and arriving late was Otavio. Next opportunity for him. Kept his head. Oh, and an opportunity which is wasted by Zelarayan.
It's a great opportunity from Zelarayan.
Go his metal. Oh, it's a terrific driving run. Al-Khaibari in the right place, but Al-Baraikin lively still.
You know, it's good play from Tay.
Garib is in behind. Now Ronaldo. And again. Away from one. He can afford to be philosophical about it. Mane, Conan, they're in behind again. Ronaldo! The flag, it would have intervened, and has it. Oh, and here's Ronaldo. Brozovic, an inroad. Zelarayan has a little bit of space to work with.
He's gone for too much power.
Mane!
And that's what happens. Then, at one end, if you don't take your chance when you're playing against world-class players, you get punished at the other end. And it's brilliant finish, and he does the Ronaldo celebrations.
Well, he won't mind, but you could see that near thing at one end produced a real sense of fire about Al Nassr on the counter. Abbas Al Hassan, this is Teo. Bouchal finding Sami Al Najeh. And now Bouchal, and there it is! As simple as that. He couldn't walk away disappointed, could he? He has the hat-trick.
Yeah. He was always going to get his hat-trick, wasn't he? He's in the right place at the right time. That's what centre-forwards do. They're in that 6-yard box and they're wanting to score goals, and he just put it in at the back post. It was good play, though. Really good play down this right-hand side. And Ronaldo's just holding his run. You can see him at the back post. And the timing's brilliant. And that's what good strikers do, and that's why he's world-class. Brilliant.